Now welcome back in the pattern class for 11th. Now today we are going to find out the weight of an unknown object by using parallelogram law of vectors. So for this one we should take here our first gravation apparatus, column line, hangers with the slotted weights, and that object whose weight is to be determined. Thin and strong threads, paper sheets, drawing pins, sharp pencil, meter scale, set square, and protractor to measure the angle. We know very well its theory. It suppose P, Q and S, these three vectors act at a point. So in the balanced condition we know here P plus Q plus S equals to 0. This is here. This one is this OC is the here the vector opposite to this minus S. So this P and Q, we have the two vectors making some angle here, that is the theta, and the resultant, this OC will give you measure the resultant factors of P and Q. And this is seen on here. So that is why we have written P plus Q plus S is equals to 0. And for the magnitude, S equals to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Theta is this one. Now this is the gravation here. Gravation apparatus here. So we will discuss this gravation apparatus here. Here is the just like the drawing board outside made of the wooden sheet. This is one pulley and here is the one pulley. Over this pulley we can pass the one thread here and another thread. This is, and one third hanger is connected to this. And this object is that object whose weight is to be found out. So this is here the slotted weight, and this side also the slotted weight. Now we will demonstrate the experiment. Now see this is our gravation apparatus, and here is the pulley, here is the another pulley, here is the one hanger, another hanger, and here is the third hanger. So the object which is kept here, whose weight is to be determined, and here are two. This shows here that P, vector P, and this is vector Q. And keep this first vertical. We have made vertical here with the help of this screw. Now suspending these two hangers here, now weight on these hangers, we have seen the points are here, that is marked by the pencil. This is O, the point of action. Now take the help of this. Another mark is here. We can also mark keeping this vertical here. This is here. So we have marked. After marking, I will show you how the lines or the vectors can be drawn. Now see here, these 3 points are visible. We will join these points with the help of a straight line. This is Then after, join this. And here is the other point of this vector. So we have drawn here the line. Now using the set square, we will draw the perpendicular here on this vector. Now join this, and from any point here we will extend this first with the dotted line. Now draw the perpendicular from here, this point, on this line. So now we have completed the experiment. We will do the experiment, we will measure this line, we will also measure this line, and we will do the calculation. This length is here near about 4.6 centimeter, and this is here near about 4.7 centimeter. So we will assume this weight is here now 100 gram, this side 100 gram. So 4.6 is equals to 100 gram and 4.7 is equals to 100 gram this side. And we will find the value of this S. It is P, it is Q. And we will measure this angle here. We can also calculate by the formula, angle is 90 degree. So we will find using the formula P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta is equals to S square. Then S equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. We can find this, but we will assume here now the another method on the base of this length. We will repeat this experiment 3 times with the different weights on hanger P and Q. Now we have performed the experiment 3 times and putting the values of all weight on the first hanger and second hanger, and we have measured the value as shown in the experiment 3 times, and find here now the value this and this, and here is mean of the unknown value. Now listen, it is very important to see the precautions. Board of the gravation apparatus should be stable and vertical. Pulley should be frictionless. If it is not frictionless, then we should wire it. And hanger should not touch the board or any other places. And junction of the 3 threads should be always in the middle of the paper sheet. And we should use the sharp pencil, and we should also remove the parallax error during taking the mark of the thread on the papers. So thank you very much. Do the experiment. Thank you.